Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video, like I promised, I have another knife that I got from Twisted Assisted's website. This will be the Bestech Twisted Junzi Slipjoint. It is a limited run of 500 pieces that he ordered for his website. So if these are selling out, then maybe there will be a second batch. If not, then probably the only option is for you to getting the full-on titanium version that Bestech sells. But if you are lucky and you like this design, then I strongly suggest pause the video, go to the description down below and get the knife, get your dream configuration, because let me say there are a lot of different options you can get with this one, and therefore I got it. So the model number I don't have for you because there is nothing on the box. The name is Junzi. It is a UK legal modern slip joint. Let me give you the specifications. So we have a over length of 17 centimeters. This is 6.7 inches. The blade is 7.3 centimeters, 2.9 inches. That is important because UK has a 3-inch limit. The cutting edge is only 6.1 centimeters, 2.4 inches. So either way, you should be safe to carry this in public. In UK, of course. We here in Slovakia don't have any kind of sad, ridiculous laws that inhibit us to carry knives. But I feel the pain, all of my UK subscribers and viewers, that they had to oblige these laws. But it is what it is. So let's continue. We have a blade, blade width of 2.3 centimeters. This is 0.9 inches. The thickness is 3 millimeters or 0.12 inches. The handle is 10 centimeters long or 4 inches, and the thickness is 1.1 centimeter or 0.4 inches. That is without the pocket clip. In the box we have only a warranty information, maintenance, and so on. So this is perfectly acceptable at this price point. I do not would like to have wasted any more money on cloth, bags or pouches, anything else. This is perfectly nice. So the blade we have D2. There are two options. So firstly, both of them are drop point. This is a matte Stonewash. Looks really interesting because I would say this is a bead blasted finish, but they say it is a matte Stonewash. Anyway, the other version you can get is with a satin finish. So depends on what you prefer, you can choose from. And the liners are stainless steel. This is a back spring because it's a slip joint, and the scales are standard are black G10. We have a really generous wide lanyard hole because you can also carry this as a traditional knife. Just take out the pocket clip. The pocket clip itself is really nicely made. Firstly, deep carry. Secondly, flush screws. Thirdly, medium stiffness. Excellent on all of these accounts. This is a perfect, every box is checked to be a beautiful and usable everyday carry. So now let's see the sharpness. Where is a piece of paper? Here. So out of the box, these are scary scalpel sharp. So yeah, what more to say? Excellent job right there. Now let's see the pocket profile. Like I mentioned, medium stiffness, so this will go inside without any problems. If you have soft fabric, medium to rough fabric, excellent, excellent, excellent. This is how much it will be sticking out, just a little bit. And now I forgot to weight it, so let me grab my scale. Sometimes this happens. Okay. So we have 85.5 grams, or exactly 3 ounces. Excellent. Nice and lightweight, my friends. Pivot assembly, it rides on bronze washers, so nothing that would be different with a slip joint, a traditional slip joint. Now let's talk about the variants. I have purposefully not mentioned that this has only a right-handed carry, because for some reason, I don't know why, but Twisted also ordered a separate left-handed model. So if you a left-handed user, you can check out his website. There will be a item that says left-handed carry Junzi, and you can choose from not only from the standard version, but you can also choose from OD green, black, tan, and white. So yeah, excellent, excellent. And we are going further. So if you don't like the standard black one, you can order separate scales. And let me tell you, there are a huge variety of scales. So obviously, for me, I had to order the natural canvas micarta ones. Yeah, these are beautiful. And even with these, he will have you 2 options for you: natural ones and saturated or impregnated with some kind of maybe oil or wax. So basically, you are getting something dark like this. So yeah, excellent options. These are really nicely made. Let me tell you, I'm really thrilled to change these out. There will be probably a video next week or so, who knows. But not only there is brown natural canvas micarta and treated or saturated, but he will also offer black micarta. Both of these will cost you $14.99. Keep in mind, this is in British pounds, so you have to convert it to your currency. Then there is also few G10 variants. There is black and green, black and white, red, pink, and also white and jade. The green, the black and green, and the black and white cost $9.99, and red, pink, black, white, and sorry, the white cost $9.99, and the jade, the red, pink, black, and will cost $8.99. Sorry about that. Lots of numbers. You don't need to know that exactly, but you can check out his website. And let's make it even better. So if you bought this one, but you decided you would like to carry it on the left side, then for $14.99 you can get your left-handed carry frame and scales. So yeah, so that is so many options. I'm really mind blown that he went to all this trouble to order all these parts, and there are also screw sets. Yeah, check it out on his website. So excellent offering. They cover all the corners. So now let's talk about the blade. So like I mentioned, that is D2. Let's see his logo on the one side. Nice clip point profile. Really nice and sharp. You have a 4-finger choil so that even if you have a large hand, it will nicely and safely be in your fingers. We have I would say medium tension on the spring, but it's definitely more than enough. Sharpening choil right there. Centering is excellent. Okay, so now let's see a few size comparisons. So small griptilian with my modified micarta scales. Let's see it. Sorry. Yes. This is how it's supposed to be. Okay, let's continue. Here we have the Certified Fish 494X, the small warrior. CV Rustic Gent. QSP Penguin. CRKT Pilar 1. CJRB Feldspar. This comes a little bit close to the CJRB design wise, but yes, these were limited edition for I can't remember, maybe Knife Center. Yes, maybe Knife Center. It was Knife Center. Then here is a Benchmade Bug Out. Another nice Slipjoint Kaiser Pinch with OG China Carta. Kaiser Begleiter 2. Red Model 2. Bug Vintage Select Small. Spyderco Delica. Let's see, the CVV Appalachian Drifter. Case Tribal Lock. Saltbuster Junior from Case. Bugsprint Pro. Rough Rider Peanut. Bug Toothpick. Small Stockman from Rough Rider. And let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. Okay, so let's talk about the price. If I'm not remembering correctly, I forgot to mention it in the middle part of the video. So the price is $59.99. So if you would like to compare it with the, and that is British pounds, sorry, I forgot. So if you would convert it to US dollars, it will be something like $64. So like I mentioned, there is a full titanium version available directly with Bestech or from Bestech. They are selling it directly to their distributors or dealers like Blade HQ and so on. And when I checked the price, the MSRP was 210 US dollars. Blade HQ had few variants on their website for 168. So 168 compared to 64. Yeah, there's almost 3 times the knife here on the table. It costs 3 times the less. And then plus you can get nice micarta scales, but I'm just saying there are different other variants available. So yeah, I must say this is a really excellent if you would like to carry something smaller, unobtrusive, and maybe if you're in a country where there are legal requirements from blade length and locking and non-locking, then yeah, I must say for all of my UK friends, This is a excellent legal carry that they can have with them in style, and if you get yourself few those scales, you can every week you can have a different knife. So or for a special occasion you can change out or maybe match it with your with your shirt or tie or belt or everything, whatever you like. So yeah, I'm really happy that Twisted Assisted does give you so many options. I have not seen this this kind of customer freedom with any other brand. So maybe Spyderco comes in mind, where there is every other month a new military, paramilitary, or now even shaman with different scales and blade steels. But yeah, let's be real here. 14.99 British pounds or 8.99 for the G10. Yeah, you can beat it. This is an excellent value. I'm really happy that I was able to find this website and get. And I'm also looking forward in the future. Maybe they will be releasing some more knives, maybe more designs. There is one more knife that I don't have in my collection and they sell, but this is the Bestech Tulip. If I'm not mistaken, it's Ostap Hell design. This is really a small knife, so small EDC. Even if you have even harder restrictions, then you will probably able to only carry that one. But yeah, they offer it in a different, many different variations as far as handle scales go. Okay, so let's close it down. This was the Bestech knives, Twisted Junzi, Slipjoint, UK legal carry. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly nothing guaranteed, but sometimes other stuff regarding my hobbies. With that being said, we wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon.